This is Dr.Rajakannu Amuthakkannan. Welcome to my lecture videos. Today we are going to see about quality function deployment and quality circles. What is quality function deployment? It is a method to transform customer voice into specifications and a method to incorporate in the manufacturing system. Shortly we are calling as QFD. This is widely used in total quality management. This quality function deployment technique was invented in Japan by Yoji Akao in 1966, but this technique was first implemented in the Mitsubishi Scope shipyard in 1972. Then it was adopted and developed by other Japanese companies, notably Toyota and its suppliers. There are some steps in quality function deployment. Three important steps in quality function deployment is given here. The first step, collection of spoken and unspoken customer wants and needs. See, who is the customer we have to identify for our product. After that, we have to collect what customer requirement. This may be with brainstorming or even through verbal or text. Any kind of questionnaire we can conduct, and we have to collect what customer is expecting for that particular product. Then after that, you have to translate these needs into technical characteristic and specification, because customer, he doesn't know about the technical characters and specifications. After collection of customer voice, we have to transfer that into a technical characteristic. Then we have to build and deliver a quality product or service by focusing everybody toward customer satisfaction. This build and deliver a quality product. How, sir? This is what quality function deployment will give a solution. Steps involved in QFD. So the detailed steps it's given here. First, we have to collect voice of customer. The voice of customer may be many requirements they need. All of the requirements, it's very difficult to incorporate in our product. And this is the reason we have to segregate and we have to filter. There are some techniques to filter this. One of the technique I have given here, one is Affinity Diagram. In Affinity Diagram, you can take some categories. Under that categories, your voice of customer characteristic we have to segregate. Then after that we have to filter. How? There are some techniques to filter that. So we have to collect only the relevant voice of customer parameters. What are the parameters we have to take into consideration to improve our technical specification of our product? So this is what the next step is, technical requirement. So what are the technical requirements we have to incorporate to satisfy the customer? This one we have to develop. After technical requirements, we have to build house of quality diagram. The main core in this QFD, building the house of quality is very important. As the outcome of house of quality, we have to build some characteristic and technical enhancement in the product to implement, to develop the quality of the product to satisfy the customer needs. So, how can we build house of quality? The diagram shows house of quality. It look like a house, and this is the reason we are telling this is house of quality diagram. The center part you see here, the relationship between the technical and customer requirements we have to build, but before that we have to place the voice of customer one by one in the left side. We have to identify what are the technical requirements to incorporate this voice of customer. We have to identify. That means one technical team will identify what are the technical requirements. The interrelationship between the technical requirements we have to build in the top of the house of quality. Then after that, as an outcome of this house of quality, we will find what is the priority we have to give in the customer requirement, and also we have to give priority in technical requirements. When you are going to find different type of technical requirements, which one is having the most important technical requirement and which one is having the least important technical requirements, this evaluation we can do as the outcome of this house of quality. And not only that, it is possible to do the competitive evaluation. See, there are customer A and there is a customer B, or product A and product B is there, and we can compare the product A and product B, and how can we improve our product according to the customer requirement to penetrate in the market. So we can do as the outcome of this house of quality. See, examples are given here. See, this is the QFD for a remote control. See, TV remote control, maybe when you are going to use, you need a lot of things. Maybe you don't like the color of the remote control. Maybe you are finding difficulty in finding the buttons, and maybe you need size of the button should be more, or the dimensions you don't like, or dimensions it has to increase or it has to decrease. So many will be there. When we are going to take the customer priority, we have collected and segregated and filtered, and I have given some of the customer priority. It should be easy to hold. It should be an attractive one. That means aesthetic look should be good. And multi-function button should be there. Buttons easy to see. So these four we have collected from the voice of customer. So to incorporate this voice of customer characteristic, what are the technical requirements it's given? So this should be done by a technical team inside the company. You see here, so it's possible to increase the dimensions and the size of the buttons we can increase or decrease, and color of the remote control we have to change, and number of buttons we have to increase or decrease, and color of the buttons also we have to take care. So this one by the technical team, that means technical requirements to incorporate this attractive, easy to hold, multifunction buttons, button easy to see, all those things, it is required to consider these technical parameters. You see here then the top, so we are going to build the top like this. See, there are there is some table like format. You see here the dimensions, if you are going to take, you see in this direction, the cross direction, it is having some interrelationship with size of the buttons, color of RC, and number of buttons and color of buttons. Even if you are going to take, you see here the size of the button, it's going to have some interrelationship with color of RC and number of buttons and the color of buttons. You see here color of RC, it's having some relationship. See, like this we have to see dimensions, and you have to take in the top direction, then after that you have to see the dimensions and size of the buttons, it's having some relationship. Yes, strongly positive relationship. So strongly positive relationship means I have given some symbols. You see here the round symbol, and strong negative, there is no relationship, means it's given a star button, and negative means it's given one button. So according to that you have to fill one. I will tell, see there, dimensions, size of the button. Yes, if you are going to increase the dimension, and we can increase the size of the buttons, there will be some relationship, strongly positive relationship, and this is the reason we have given. See here dimensions and color of RC, there is no relationship, it's not given anything. Of course dimensions and number of buttons, dimensions increased means number of buttons will be more than strongly positive, and this is the reason it's given. Okay, fine. So this is how to fix the top of this house of quality, it's given. And now here we have to build. How can we build? Before we are going to build, we have to give some Strong, medium and small values. Sir, how can we give the strong, medium and small value? So you can give according to your requirement. Strong I can take it as 5, medium I can take it as 3 and small I can take it as 1, and even strong I can take it as 9, medium I can take it as 4, and there is no restriction in taking the strong, medium, small. But strong should be more and medium should be in between and small should be less. Okay, this one high, medium, low also we can have. Strong, medium, instead of strong, medium, low, high, medium, low also we can have. See, before we are going to do that, easy to hold, how much points we have to allocate. Attractive means how much point we have to allocate. Multi-function button means how many points we have to allocate. Button easy to see, how many points we have to allocate. These points based on how many number of customers given in their voice. According to that, more number of customers are given related to attractive means we have to give more point. And easy to hold, if any medium level, that means some customers has given, some customers they didn't give anything related to easy to hold means we have given less than that attractive. So like that, based on customer priority only, even when we are going to give voice of customer notification, we can give what will be the priority, most priority is what. So according to that we can fill. This one is given by us. Strong, medium, small is given by us. Sir, what is this strong, medium, small? How it is having some impact in building the house of quality? You see here, easy to hold and dimensions. Yes, if it is a very big dimension, it's very difficult to hold. So the dimension is normal, then easy to hold. Yes, there is a strong relationship between the easy to hold and dimensions. So I have given the strong symbol I have given here, that one we have to give, or otherwise even you can make it as S, M, S, M, or high, medium, low, H, M, L we can use it. Instead of symbols we can use it, but symbol also we can use it here. See here, symbol for the strong I have given this kind of symbol, medium I have given this kind of symbol, small I have given this kind of symbol. Then we have to find the relationship between the customer priority and technical requirements. We have to fill this. Then after that, what will be the result of this house of quality? So this one we have to find as the outcome of house of quality. In the result, I have given 30, 140, 472. How we will calculate this 30, 140, 472? Now I am going to explain. You see, already we have given the relationship between easy to hold and dimension is strong. The strong means how many points already allocated? 9 points I have allocated. See, the customer has given the priority allocation is 3 here. Easy to hold is 3. And now the relationship between easy to hold and dimension I have given as 9. You see, the strong means 9. 3 multiplied with 9 is equal to 27 it will come. Sir, how 30 is coming here? You see here 3 already it is there. Easy to hold and size of buttons we have given as small. So small means it's 1. So 3 into 1 it is 3. Here 27 it will come. Here 3 will come. 27 plus 3 equal to 30. Similar to that, 5 it is given. See here it is a medium symbol is there. That means 4. 5 multiplied with 4 plus again 5 multiplied with 4 plus 5 multiplied with 9. Why 5 multiplied with 9? Strong relationship is there between attractive and color of RC, and this is the reason 5 you have to multiply with 9. Then here 5 multiplied with 1 because small impact will be there, and here again strong relationship is there, 5 multiplied with 9. So all those things if you are going to add, 140 will come. Similar to that, multi-function buttons relationship with the dimension, size of buttons, color of RC, and color of buttons already we have given as small, that means 1. So 1 multiplied with 1 plus 1 multiplied with 1 plus 1 multiplied with 1 plus 1 multiplied with 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 it is coming. So similar to that we have to do here also. So it's coming 30, 144 and 72. How we are going to do here? That means a vertical column similar to that. 3 already it is there, easy to hold. And see here, the strong relationship is there. 3 multiplied with 9, then 5 multiplied with 4, 1 multiplied with 1, 4 multiplied with 1. 4 plus 1 plus 5 into 4, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 plus 4, it is 25, and 3 into 9, 27 is coming. Then all those things, if you are going to add, 52 will come. So similar to that, here you are going to multiply 3 with 1, 5 with 4, 1 with 1, 4 with 4. Then you are going to add. Then after that, we have to make customer priority curve. You see here, this is 72. Here it is, I have started here. Then it's going to 4 less. Then again it is going to peak, that means 140, and it is coming down to 30. See, 140 it is there. This is the highest priority we have to give in this column. That means attractive we are giving. Here if we are going 52, 40, 82, 5, 62 is coming. So that means 82. Color of RC we have to give. So attractive and color of RC, if we are going to change the color of remote control, that means attractive will improve. The next priority is 62 here, color of buttons. Here next priority is button easy to see. Yes, color of buttons means easy to see. If we are going to take it as customer voice, see, color of buttons if we are going to change, then easy to see it will come. This is the next priority customer has given. So we have to do the color of buttons in a different way. So this is what the outcome of this. So in this way, a manufacturer can understand what technical requirements we have to do to satisfy the customer using QFD techniques, I mean house of quality techniques. So this is the way of building the house of quality. And the next one, improvement of QFD effectiveness with blend of voice of customer and red green chart on complex mechatronics products. This research paper published by me in a journal. So journal link I have given in one of the slide. See, in that I have taken complex mechatronics product. Complex mechatronics product is electro-pneumatic system with microcontroller. In this voice of customer, I have collected, see, 15 number of voice of customer is given here. No flexibility of changing the program in microcontroller. So microcontroller based electro-pneumatic, there is no flexibility in changing the program. The cycle time is fixed and it is difficult to alter. And the positioning accuracy and repeatability, it is required. And noise it is coming means though we have to reduce. So these are all collected from the voice of customer related to supply of one microcontroller based electro-pneumatic system. See, we have collected the 15 number of voice of customer. After that, how we are going to build the house of quality through this voice of customer, we are going to see in this. See, before you are going to incorporate all of this voice of customer, we have to do one diagram which is called as affinity diagram. Sir, what is the purpose of affinity diagram? Affinity diagram is used to segregate the voice of customers. See, voice of customer 15 numbers are there. In this voice of customer, some of the voices are related to design, some of the voices are related to operation, some of the voices are related to maintenance, some of the voices are related to functional. See, I have taken design attributes, maintenance attributes, functional attributes, operational attributes. Under this category, what are the customer voices are coinciding. And maintenance attributes means what are the maintenance. You see there, the noise and delaying in procuring the spares, these are all maintenance attributes. Functional attributes means malfunction during the pressure fluctuation, fault in operation during the voltage fluctuation. These are all functional attributes. So operational attributes are what and design attributes are what. All those things we have categorized on the categories of design, maintenance, functional, operation. So this is called affinity diagram. The red, green chart, the red, green, yellow chart is for what purpose? See, we have taken 15 number of voice of customer. To reduce the 15 number of voice of customers to important voice of customers, we can use this red green chart. So this is done by me, and this is the new methodology I have implemented in quality function deployment to filter the voice of customers, because all of the voice of customers is not required to use in building of house of quality. If you are going to use all of the customers, the house of quality building complexity will come more, and this is the reason red green chart will be useful to reduce the complexity in the building of house of quality. So this one, if you want to know more and read my journal paper, and you will come to know more about this red green chart. You see here the traditional voice of customer and house of quality I am going to explain. So before that, you see I have filtered the voice of customer using RGC, the red green chart concept. See, when we are going to collect the voice of customer, 15 number of voice of customers are there. If you are going to take 15 numbers of voice of customer, then the house of quality will become more complex, and this is the reason I have reduced from 15 to 8 number of voice of customer. These are all very important attributes we have to incorporate in the product. See here, this is the building of a house of quality. I have taken here quality of the products, performance, reliability, cycle time, functionality, cost, service. These are all technical requirements. Here I have taken the customers. Even you can take this one here and this one here, nothing wrong in that. After that, we have to allocate some of the points. You see here, strong means 9 I have given, medium means 2 I have given, weak means 1 I have given. See, when you are going to compare quality of the products and this one, see, the medium level is coming. Medium means it is given as 3, 5 already given for the quality of the products, 5 multiplied by 3, it is coming as 15. So all those things I have done here itself. In the previous example, in the center we have given some symbols, but here I have given medium, high, and this is very easy. Medium means already I have given the point as 3. Quality of products we have given the point 5. 5 multiplied with 3, 15 it is coming. So 15 I have filled here itself. The same way, there is a relationship. See, quality of the product and second customer voice is, what is the relationship? The high impact will be there. High relationship is there. High impact is there, I can say. See, high means what is given here? 9 it is given. So 5 multiplied with 9, it's coming as 45. Similar to that, 5 multiplied with 9, 45 is coming. 5 multiplied with 3, 15 is coming. If there is no relationship between this quality of the product and the fourth points, so you need not to fill that. So you can make it as nil column here, and you can make it as here nil column. So if there is no relationship, so no need to fill any of that. So if you find any relationship, medium relationship or high relationship or low level relationship, then you have to multiply with this 5 with this relationship points what I have allocated, then you have to fill all of these columns. So it's like a matrix. Then after that, the horizontal column, all of the numerical values I have added. All of the numerical values I have added here. I have added here, added here. Same way vertically also we have to add. See, in this curve, so we will get which customer requirement or which technical requirement is having very important characteristic to build in the product. That one we can understand using these curves. And here also, so we can make this curve. You see here, this place it's going peak. That means number 7 customer requirement is having more important to build in the product to improve the quality of the product. Similar to that, you see here, the quality of the product is coming as peak, and this place we have to concentrate more on products to improve the quality of the product. Sir, this top of this house of quality, how can we fill? You see here, this is the first parameter, and see here we have to make the slanting lines for each and every parameters like this. Then after that, in an opposite manner, we have to make slanting line like this. See, when if we are going to see this direction, you see here the first parameter is having some relationship with second one, having relationship with third one, having relationship with fourth one, having relationship with fifth one, having relationship with sixth one, having relationship with seventh one, having relationship with eighth one. But some of the things, it's very least amount of relationship. Some of the things, it's having strong positive relationship. Even if it is not their relationship, then you can leave some of the boxes by taking as nil. Okay, see here we haven't filled any of these any of the H value or L value here. Similar to that, even you need not to fill any of the some of the boxes if there is no relationship between two voice of customer parameters. See here, this first and second, it's having strongly positive, and this is the reason strongly positive symbol I have given. You see here, the next one is strongly negative. See, the first one and the third one, it's having strongly negative relationship. It's given that symbol. So similar to that, you have to fill all the column. See the second one, the second voice of customer, I'm going to compare with third, compare with fourth, compare with fifth, compare with sixth, compare with seventh, compare with eighth. So what is the interrelationship is there between the second point and with the other points? So if it is a strongly positive, if you agree, then you have to give strongly positive symbol. If you strongly negative, if you agree, then strongly negative signal, and only positive, only negative means that symbol also I have given in the relationship table. Then you have to fill the top of this house of quality using the interrelationship between the voice of customers. So that's all in quality function deployment. So after building this house of quality, we will come to know what are the technical requirements we have to incorporate in the product to satisfy the customer. So if you are going to incorporate, if you are going to implement, then automatically quality will improve. Then you can satisfy the customer. Now we are going to see about quality circles. Sir, what is quality circle? A quality circle or quality control circle is a group of workers who do the same or similar work, who meets regularly to identify, analyze and solve work related problems. It consists of minimum 3 and maximum we can go up to 12 members. You see here quality circle, I have given one picture. So these are all, they have to work in the same department. So they should have the knowledge about that particular area when they are going to take one problem. For example, in a design department, there is a problem. These are all should be involved in the design department. They should have some knowledge about the design department. This is the reason it's given same or similar work, who do the same or similar work, who meet regularly. So they have to meet regularly after identification of one problem in their department. Then they have to approach this problem in a technical way to identify the solving methods. Then they have to implement this solving methods in their department to improve the quality of the department. Purpose of quality circles are why we need. Quality circle is a problem solving technique. Already I have explained. We have to take one problem in one department, then we have to identify the solution for that. So this is the reason we can say quality circle is a problem solving technique. Quality circle is a form of participative management. Why? Because all of the people are going to participate. not only the similar department, after that you are going to submit a report to the top management. So all the people are going to involve in this quality circles. This is the reason it's coming under the category of participative management. Quality circle is a human resource development technique. Why we are calling as human resource development technique? If a employee is going to participate in quality circles, he will come to know about one particular department or one particular product. Then what are the problems in the product? Then after that, how to solve this problem and what are the techniques to solve the problem? Then you are going to approach technically, then you are going to submit to the management through some presentation. So when you are going to participate in quality circles, you will improve your knowledge, you will improve your presentation capability, you will improve your technical capability, and also you will have some interaction with management. By the time your knowledge will improve, if your knowledge is improving, automatically your position will improve in your company. And this is the reason we are saying as quality circle is a human resource development technique. Quality circle structure, sir, what are the committees are there, or what are the personnel involved in this quality circle? See, there will be a steering committee. Steering committee means top management will be involved and they will formulate the quality circles and they have to give approval for your quality circle structure. See, there will be one coordinator for quality circle, and after that, facilitator, circle members, circle leader, launching quality circles, training. These are all individual department will take care. So after finding some problem, after finding some solution, you have to interact with the coordinator and you have to interact with the steering committee to implement your solving methods. Okay, sir, how process of implementing quality circle? See, area of operation is what? First, you have to select. Then brainstorming, who are all going to involve in this quality circle, and you have to include the quality circle members. Then you have to select one problem, then you have to give the priority to the problems, different problems, then analyze and determine the causes of that problems, then try to find the different solutions. Then you give one solution or you take some decisions according to the alternate solutions, then test the possible solution, then implement the proposed solution. How to implement? Then you have to give or you have to submit one report to the management. Then management is willing to implement means immediately you can implement to solve the problem in your department. Step by step procedure in quality circle. The first step is identification of work related problem. We have to identify one problem. For this, we can use brainstorming. After that, we can use ABC analysis to give priority to the problems. Then we have to select the problems. There are some methods to select problems. Pareto analysis or rating based on past data. That technique we can apply. And not only that, after selection of problem, we have to register the selected problems with coordinator. Who is coordinator? There will be a coordinator in quality circle. To the coordinator, we have to tell what problem we have selected. Then we have to define the problem. There is a method which is called as flow diagram. Using that, we can define the problem. Then we have to analyze the problem. How can we analyze the problem? Before the analysis, we have to collect some data. That data we have to analyze using different techniques. There are causes and root causes for the selected problems. So we have to identify the causes and we have to identify the root causes using cause and effect diagram. This is otherwise called as fishbone diagram, which is given by Ishikawa. Using the fishbone diagram, we can find what are the root causes for the selected problem. Then we can analyze the data using different type of techniques like bar chart, pie chart, aerial graph, histogram, stratification, scatter diagram, etc. YY analysis also very helpful to analyze the data. The eighth point is developing solution. After analysis, we have to find the solution. After finding the solution, we have to discuss the solution with all of the group members. That's the reason I have given here brainstorming will be useful to develop the solution. After developing the solution, you have to find probable resistance. There will be a chance of opposing this one by other department, or sometimes management will not be willing to implement your solution. So these are all some probable resistance. This one you have to identify, then you have to find the ways to overcome the resistance. After that, we have to give one presentation about your solution to department head, facilitator, other officials and non-members involved in the implementation. Then we have to implement initially as a trial. So that is called trial implementation. Then we have to check the performance in the trial implementation. After getting some satisfaction in the trial implementation, we have to implement regularly. That is called regular implementation. Once validity is checked and improvement observed with data, regular implementation can be done. After implementing regularly, then we have to follow up, then we have to review. If there is any fault in that, again we have to find alternate solution, then we have to implement to improve the quality of that particular problem. Try one tutorial. Form a quality circle group at your home. You try to identify one problem at your home, then analyze the problem, find root causes for the problem using fishbone diagram. If possible, collect the data and implement some statistical process control technique like bar chart, pie chart, histogram to analyze the data. Then develop different solution. Then discuss this different solution with your family members. Then find the best solution. Then review. After that, implement. Try this tutorial. Definitely you will find solution for one problem at your home. Thank you for watching my video. I will catch you in another video.